ThunderCell Battery is an interchangeable lithium-ion battery with an output voltage of 7.4 volts and a capacity of 950 mAh. Package content. The ThunderCell Battery bundle includes one quality control document, 2 quick start guides, 1 warranty card, and 2 cards with QR code, which allow access to the Use, Installation and Maintenance Manual and all the documentation in digital format. The package includes 2 ThunderCell batteries, and a printed version of the manual can be found in the package too. The bundle also includes the ThunderCell battery receptacle and cable, lamination kit, wall charger, and car charger. ThunderCell battery features. The ThunderCell battery fully recharges in about 1 hour via a USB-C connector. It features an IP67 water and dustproof design, a multifunction LED button and a range of smart features, among which digital communication with the Adam's hand and haptic feedback capability. This way, the patients receive a vibratory feedback near their stumps that can be linked to several pieces of information, such as the residual charge in the battery or the grip force performed by the hand. The battery is available in 3 different colours: beige, black, and white. Turning the device on and off. To turn on and off the device, long-click on the battery button. The power on is indicated by a double blink of the green light of the battery LED. The power off instead is indicated by the steady red light of the battery LED. If you turn on the ThunderCell battery when outside the receptacle, it can work as a power bank. Just connect the cable to the ThunderCell battery, turn it on, and finally connect the cable to your phone. Instead, if you turn on the battery when inside the receptacle, it turns on the prosthesis. Before doing so, assemble the receptacle cable to the receptacle. And connect the receptacle cable to the 6-band coaxial plug. The red and brown cable, power, to connector 1, and the orange and yellow cable, data communication, to connector A. In the case of 4-band coaxial plug, connect only the power cable. To insert the battery into its receptacle, place the electrical contacts attached to the receptacle terminals. At this point, apply a little pressure on the opposite side of the ThunderCell battery until a snap indicates the right fitting of the battery in the receptacle. You can now turn the battery on. Thanks to the digital communication with the Adam's hand, once connected to MyoLogic or MyoLogic Pro apps, ThunderCell battery can show information such as the battery percentage, the overall health battery state, the cell's temperature, and much more, increasing the reliability and the performance of the entire system. While connected to our app, you can turn on or off the visual, vibratory, or acoustic feedback of the battery. Moreover, the system firmware can be updated remotely. This way you will always have the most updated version of the battery at your fingertips. To remove the ThunderCell battery from the receptacle, simply turn off the battery and press the receptacle lever. Checking the battery residual charge. With a short click on the battery button, you can check its residual charge level. When the LED is green, the residual charge is between 100% and 60%. When it's yellow, it's between 60% and 20%. When it is red, it's between 20% and 5%. When it flashes red, you are between 5% and 0%. But even if the battery reaches 0% and the prosthesis turns off automatically, the patient can always turn it back on for an overall time of 30 seconds and get the hand in the open position. Checking the battery health state. It is possible to check the battery's health state at any time, whether it is turned on or off, even when it is not installed in the receptacle. By clicking the battery button 3 times, it will give 3 vibratory feedback and the LED will blink with different colours. Green to indicate an excellent health status, residual capacity higher than 85%. Yellow to indicate a good health status, residual capacity between 75% and 85%. Red to indicate a poor health status, residual capacity lower than 75%, indicating that the battery must be replaced. Charging the battery. To recharge the battery, you simply have to connect it to the wall charger or to the car charger provided with the battery pack. While charging, the battery LED blinks with the colour corresponding to the residual charge level. Solid green 100%. Flashing green between 60 and 99%. Flashing yellow between 20 and 60%. Flashing red below 20%. Thanks for watching this video.